Nalanda University. Nalanda University is one of the oldest and most prestigious center of learning in ancient history. Located in Bihar, India, it was established around the 5th century CE, is often considered the world's first residential university. It played a crucial role in the development of education, culture, knowledge, and in ancient India and beyond. The university attracted students and scholars from the various parts of the world, including China, Korea, Japan, Tibet, and Southeast Asia. As at its peak, Nalanda housed over 10,000 students and 2,000 teachers. Admission to the university was highly competitive, and the students had to pass rigorous oral examination before being accepted. Nalanda offered a wide range of students, including Buddhism studies, philosophy, logic, grammar, medicine, mathematics, and astronomy. It was not limited to religious education but promoted a holistic approach to learning. One of the most famous scholars associated with the Nalanda was Songzhong, a Chinese traveler who studied and taught there for many years. His detailed account provided valuable insights into the university functioning and importance. The infrastructure of Nalanda was highly advanced for its time. It consisted of multiple monasteries, temple, lecture hall, and vast library known as Dharmaganja. The library was so extensive that it was said to have contained thousands of manuscripts on various subjects. The university followed a well-organized system of education with structure, courses, and experienced teachers guiding students. Nalanda flourished for several centuries under the patronage of the various rulers, especially the Gupta and Pala dynasties. However, its decline began in the 12th century when it was attacked and destroyed by invaders. The burning of its great library is considered one of the biggest losses in the history of education and knowledge. Today, the ruins of Nalanda University are the important archaeological sites and UNESCO World Heritage Site. They attract historians, tourists, and students from around the world. The sites reflect the architectural brilliance and intellectual achievement of ancient India. In the recent years, efforts have been made to revive the Nalanda as a modern center of learning. A new Nalanda University has been established near the ancient site, aiming to continue the legacy of global education and cultural exchange. Nalanda University stands as a symbol of India's rich educational heritage. It contributes to the knowledge, learning, and international collaborations, make it one of the most remarkable institutions in the world history.